Y'all, I just sharpened the samurai sword. Nah, just kidding. It's a machete. I used a Tormek, and I've always wanted to cut a water bottle, see how sharp these things get, or see how nice it cuts. But I had a sheet of paper. I mean, it's pretty sharp. I don't know if it is gonna cut a water bottle or not, but that's pretty sharp. Hopefully it goes through this water bottle. Yeah, one more time again. One more time. So it's sharp. And I mean, it's made in Brazil. So I'm pretty sure some good carbon steel. But I want to see how this thing, I gotta get my feet out the way, make sure I don't cut myself. See how it cuts. Let's see how this goes. I mean, it's gonna make a mess, and hopefully it cuts through. It doesn't just shoot my bottle that way, but let's see. Woo, buddy. It chopped straight through. And I made a mess. But it's sharp. Woo, buddy.